Hello and welcome to this eMobility update on Monday, the 21st of March. We start the new week with this news. VW's electric car production remains at a standstill. Porsche confirms electric 718 and Maserati to become an all-electric car brand by 2030. Volkswagen's electric car factories are standing still. This is due to a lack of cable harnesses since the war in Ukraine has disrupted supply chains. Production lines in Zwickau have been on hold since March, but Volkswagen had been hoping to restart MEB production last week. Now Christian Vollmer, responsible for production at VW, announced the plant would remain closed until April. Dresden will also remain closed at the beginning of April, he added. Zwickau and Dresden are the only locations in Europe where the company makes cars using their MEB platform. While Dresden and the so-called transparent factory serve mainly as a showcase, it is unclear what discontinued production will mean in Zwickau. The plant also produces the ID.5 as the only facility worldwide. VW was aiming to start delivering the electric SUV in early April, but has yet to comment whether to expect delays. Production at other German factories continues with only slight interruptions. Murat Aksel, responsible for VW purchasing, added that suppliers from Ukraine were continuing to deliver, but only to a reduced extent. Volkswagen was also building out other regions, but wants to continue sourcing parts from Ukraine. We support our suppliers and won't leave them in the lurch, said Aksel. Porsche will only offer the next 718 as EV by the middle of the decade. The carmaker confirmed the news following persistent rumors when announcing its latest business figures for 2021. Porsche CEO Oliver Blume said they were stepping up the electric offensive with another model. By the middle of the decade, we want to offer our mid-engine 718 sports car exclusively in an all-electric form. Blume did not mention a future platform or specs. However, he confirmed that Porsche would bank on Volkswagen's standard batteries made by Northvolt. Other rumors suggest Porsche could invest €500 million in its main plant in Germany to ready the production lines for the future electric 718 series. After the Taycan with 4 seats, the two-seater would be the second EV coming out of Stuttgart. Reports claim production could start in 2023, the same year as the electric Macan in Leipzig. When announcing its 2021 earnings, Porsche also set new targets to increase sales of electric cars to over 80% by 2030. In the interim, half of all new Porsche cars must be plug-ins by 2025. Last year, the share of electric and hybrid models across Porsche sales was already 40%. We are staying inside the premium markets where Maserati has announced it was their turn to become an all-electric car brand under the Stellantis umbrella. The Italian manufacturer targets offering an EV version for every model by 2025 before selling only electric cars by 2030. Maserati labeled the move Maserati Folgore, meaning lightning in Italian. Last week already saw spy shots emerging across different media outlets. These show a prototype electric Gran Turismo during winter testing, complete with Maserati's classic air intake and Trident logo. However, don't expect to see any more hints of tailpipes once the series arrives in 2023. The same year will also see an electric Greek-L SUV coming to market. The company's MC20 super sports car, the Quattroporte Saloon and Levante SUV are next in the Folgore line and scheduled for 2025. The company will offer these series also as gas guzzlers for the time being. Maserati has yet to reveal exactly what its all-EV portfolio will look like by 2030. This was today's eMobility update brought to you by electrive.com. We hope you've enjoyed watching and look forward to welcoming you back for the next installment on Wednesday, the 23rd of March.